Hey guys, what's going on? So a huge ass day in the market, right? Big ass candle coming off of this daily order block, right? Um, Daily order block here kind of got a kind of a daily prop candle here. Um, Maybe we'll see how we close here. We'll see if we close over it. Looks like we might close over it here. I just realized I'm looking at ES here. I usually start on NQ. I will move over here, but ES, NQ, pretty much same thing, right? ES is back in its daily FEG, right at 50%. But now the fact we're coming back up tells me, man, tells me and makes me think that we came down just to rebalance that daily order block, and then to push back up through here. I think ES, or I think, and if I go over to NQ, you see it held this daily order block as well, right? Um, it came down here. This is definitely going to be a prop block. You see, we close here in 50 seconds. We're gonna close over this candle. This this down candle was formed off of this daily order block here, and now we come back up and close above it. That's gonna give us a daily propulsion block. So we should, by definition of a propulsion block, we should expect more expansion up. And the next target I see for NQ is going to be up here at that at this untapped daily fair value gap, right? Up here at 817. I'll just look at the high of this candle. 17,988 would be the next major target for NQ here. One thing to note, NQ did finally tap 50% here on the daily. You see, it just wicked it, kind of rejecting it a little bit here, but I mean it's after hours. We'll see what tonight gives us though. But I think based off the reaction of this daily order block, I think we're going to head back up. You see this candle just closed here, but we'll open back up with just the market's just closed here. So, but you see what happened today. Remember today I came in and at first I was like, okay, well I'm watching this 4-hour FEG and I'm watching this one, right? Turned out to be we inversed this 4-hour down, but look where we bounced. We had 4-hour order block here. Look how the bodies respected it. Remember, order blocks are pretty much just like FEGs. Like how this daily up here wasn't balanced. And then remember this one as well, right? I'll get to this in a minute, but so we still made our way back up to this 4-hour here. But see, order blocks came back down. We rebalanced it, and then look how that held. I kind of missed that this morning. So after I woke up this morning and I seen us down here, at first this candle here was wicking into here and we had rejected. So I thought we made a 4-hour order block. It turned out to be this was just kind of a fake order block. And then to our 2 o'clock 4-hour candle then closed over here. We inverse. Let's see if I can draw. If I draw it correctly, you can see we just inverse this 4-hour. We inverse this 4 hours. Going into the PM session, we inverse this 4-hour. This becomes your 4-hour order block, right? Because this candle closed over, so we got a 4-hour inverse with a 4-hour order block. Look how we came back down, tapped into this 4-hour order block. It was kind of the dip in the middle of the afternoon there, and then everyone thought, oh, we're going back down to the lows. No, it's just a little pullback here on the to dig us into the 4-hour order block here. It was also that pullback brought us back into. Let's delete some of this here. You see, it was also an hourly order block. It was an hourly breaker. So you see, came back down, hourly breaker, 15-minute breaker right here, comes back down, taps into it, hourly breaker respected. Thought we might get a move back down into this hourly, but that means we're going to violate this hourly breaker to do so. That's not always the most bullish sign. But you see how 4-hour held, and then that sends us up to here. Remember, I thought maybe this might be a target. These relative equal highs here on the 4-hour might be a target yesterday for a meta. But obviously, meta was the reason that sent us down to rebalance here from the daily. And then now we got Google and Microsoft sending us back up to where price gets to rebalance this 4-hour and take these equal highs, right? And that's where we kind of stopped for now. But that's just how I kind of seen the market today. Obviously, I thought we were going to be bearish with that 4-hour, but that's where you always got to pay attention and nowhere else. Know what else is below you, right? Because we had the 4-hour order block and that daily order block here. So that's just it did a good job of changing bias today. Because at first I was, we had like this morning, I thought we were just gonna come up here a little bit. We were kind of rejecting on this 15 minute. Thought we were just gonna push back down to a new low. We had this nice LRLR kind of building up to the downside. It looked kind of bearish. Looked like we might dump, and then but and then I forgot we had data high sitting up here, so we took a long position here, right? We took a long position. We seen this data high. We seen a 15-minute inverse, so we took this inverse here. As soon as we got the close over here, we right here we took a long position around 17,450, I believe it was, and then we sold it 515 for 75 points there, or so. Actually, no, we got in at 440. We kind of chased a little bit, and then we sold up here at 515 for 75 points. So that was our one trade today. Didn't really catch anything else in TRT for the afternoon session. Um, but other than that, guys, I think tomorrow, I mean, it's just really going to depend, right? We need to see how this looks awful right now, just because I have it set to, if we go to, there we go, if we turn set off, we can see where we closed here. But kind of running into daily order block here. We did inverse this daily, so what I say, like, we inverse this daily up, we should tell us that we go up here, but we still need to get pushed through this 4 hour. As long as we push through this 4 hour FVG tonight, then I think obviously tomorrow is going to be this daily high, last Tuesday's daily high, which takes us up to that daily FEG, and then all the daily FEGs on this possible daily sell model are then complete. So we could see something like boom, all the way back down to the lows, everything's balanced, or we inverse it up, maybe get a retest, and then we go right back up to all-time highs. So it's kind of what I'm looking at. Wednesday high of week looks like it might be in trouble. Um, so actually Wednesday high of week is already in trouble based on this candle. I just noticed that. So with that, yes, we'll look at ES quick. Obviously, it's in that daily FEG still. You want to see a push through that? Let's turn set off so we can see the candles. If we push through this, and I think ES comes up to at least this wick up here. Why this week? Why this wick? It's your daily order block up here to 51.74. So it's another 25 points up on ES here. And we'll see what happens. Also, you got a kind of a daily prop candle. This candle didn't really deliver off the daily order block off the lows, but still something that we need to watch. Other than that, guys, check out the 4 hour here quick. Yes, 4 hour, big 4 hour FVG here, kind of combined with that daily as well. So with that, hope you guys have a great evening. If you guys played Meta, if you played Microsoft, congratulations. Um, Let me show one other thing quick here. So in the PM stream today, we kind of took 2 1 minute inverses, right? There was one, where was it? I think it was this one right here, maybe. Yeah, maybe this one, and then this one as well that we took for kind of a earnings lotto play. Just because we knew we had those equal high. Oh, that's why it's not working out. I'm on ES. Let's go to this. So we took this one. We knew we had triple equal highs here. Right here, triple equal highs. And we took here. We took this 1 minute inverse right here. Nice little inverse. It was only 12 points. Probably should have held some runners because we still had equal highs up here. I know we probably could have made a lot more there. And then this was kind of our earnings lotto that we took. Right here, we got to close above. Then we got to close under. Had a pretty nice liquidity pool sitting down here, but what we knew from yesterday of it 687, there were 1 minute equal highs. There are equal highs right here, so targeted those, sold there, and then obviously we came up to our big target that we were looking for yesterday. That was 4 hour equal highs, but we sold early, but never, it's never a problem selling for 120 points on NQ. So with that, that's what I'm looking for going into tomorrow. Looks like we might have this is going to turn into a 4 hour breaker as well. So you're gonna have a 4 hour breaker here to also support price. So that's something else to watch as well going into tonight. So with that, hope you guys have a great evening. A lot of sport activities tonight, so hope you guys enjoy those, and we will catch you guys tomorrow.